How to fix something went wrong error on Twitter or X account. It's very simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application X. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is try to close the app and then reopen it. It will refresh the page. Most of the time, refreshing the app has also fixed the issue. If not, head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for X. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're having this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Twitter or X and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Twitter, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.